Hi, I'm Johnny with onlinelabels.com, and today I'm going to walk you through the process of choosing the right labels for your soap bars. If you're looking to start your own soap business, having unique, professional labels is a great way to help your business stand out. In this video, we'll go over what size, shape, and label material works best for soap bars, as well as give you tips on applying your labels. There are quite a few options when it comes to considering what type of packaging you need for your soaps. Many customers choose to only have their label as their soap packaging. This is a great way to save on your packaging, and using a wraparound label will give you more than enough space to have all the information you need for your product. If you decide to wrap your soap in something like a clear shrink wrap or tissue paper, that opens you up to more sizes beyond wraparound. If your soap has a unique shape or will be difficult to label on its own, you can also consider packaging it in a bag or box. This opens you up to almost any label size. Now that you got packaging figured out, it's time to find your labels. First, you'll need to measure the labeling area of your soap or packaging. If you need help with this, you can check out the video linked below on measuring your container using our free printable ruler. Once you find your measurements, you can go to onlinelabels.com and enter your dimensions to see all the options we offer. If you need inspiration, you can always check out our soap labels page, which includes all of our most popular soap sizes, including wraparound and buckle labels. Because the label will be removed before the soap bar is actually used, you don't necessarily need to worry about having a weatherproof label. Popular options include our standard white matte and our brown craft material. These offer a natural look to your soap bars. But if you're looking for something a little more sleek and modern, check out our white gloss and clear labels. When you're ready to apply your label, make sure your soap bar is free from any debris. Wraparound labels can be a little tricky to apply straight. The best way to go about it is to start from the middle and work your way around and meet at the ends. Whether you're getting ready to launch your new soap business or creating a personalized label for a gift, we hope these tips help you create the best looking label. For more information on labeling your products, or to check out our selection of blank and custom labels, be sure to visit us at onlinelabels.com.